Hello, good morning everyone. I am Sagar and today I'm going to help you in solving problem of today. And today our question is the Q operation, which lies in easy category. So what is our problem statement? Let me read it. So given an integer, the task is to insert those elements in the queue. Also given m integer, task is to find the frequency of each number in the queue. So basically we have given q and a k, and we have to insert k in our queue. And in second function we have to find the frequency of k in our queue. So basically we have given a two function, and if you know what are the operations on queue like push, pop, then this question is going to be very easy for you. So let me tell you what is the approach we should follow in solving this question. For example, n, which is the size of our queue. I'm taking it 5, and when we get k is equal to 1, I'm talking it for the first function. When you get k is equal to 1, we have to insert in our queue. We are having the reference of our queue. So how can you do that? We will insert q dot push k. Push is a function, inbuilt function for inserting the element in a queue. So we will do every time, n time we'll do that, and we will get q like k is equal to 1, k is equal to 2, k is equal to 3, and k is equal to 4, and k is equal to 5. Every time we push k in our queue. And in second function we have to find the frequency of element k in our queue. So how can you do that? So basically we will now initialize map, global map, so it will be accessible in our map find frequency function too. So what we'll do, we will make a map, uh, global map, and when we will insert k into our queue, we will store the frequency of that element too. Like when we insert q dot push k, we will store the frequency too, map k plus plus. For example, when our k is 1, then it will get into a queue, and in map at the index of 1 the count will be 1. And when we get k is equal to 2, we will push in queue, and we will store it in map 2. Then it will go in our map at the index of 2, the count is 1. Every time we will do that, and at the end of the day we will get the frequency of each element in, and we will get our q2. Then let me code it. So basically we will initialize the global map variable. In this map we will store the frequency of each element. We push k into our queue, and at the same time we will insert k into our map. So this is how we store the frequency of an element. So we are done with our first function. In the second function we have to return the frequency of k, and we have to search it in our queue, how many times it is present in our queue. So we are having the frequency in our map, so we don't have to do much. We have to just return the frequency of k which is in our map. So I think it should work. So yeah, it is working, and I'm going to submit it. So yeah, it is working, and so I hope you understood what I have explained. So thank you. We will meet in another session.